Hi, my name's Adam, and this is my renovation on Iris Street. Week 110 is great for the porch. New drywall goes up on the ceiling, insulation goes up in the attic, a new chimney stack is installed, and insulation is installed in the room itself. So, without further ado, let's check out all of week 110. Wednesday is really short. I just put up corner bead on this little drywall extrusion in the bar area. Well guys, it's a cold Friday evening, and tomorrow morning I'm going to be putting in this new chimney system in the porch. Since it's the night and I can't do any work out there anyways, I wanted to unbox everything and make sure nothing's damaged or dented so that I can't install it tomorrow. So far these chimney stacks look good, so I'll just check the other chimney part kits, and if everything's good, we'll get this thing installed tomorrow morning. Okay guys, well good news. I've checked everything, everything's here, and nothing is damaged. So just real quick, these are the parts. Starting with this guy here, this is the roof flashing and a flashing collar for the chimney pipe. This guy of course is the chimney vent cap. This is some trim for the support box, which will support the whole chimney stack, and this is the part that will be exposed through the drywall. Moving along, we have this adapter which adapts between the support box and the 6-inch piping that'll go down to the stove. This is the trim collar for between here, some screws. This is flashing for a flat top. So for instance, if you had a chimney that came up and had a flat top, you would use this flashing for that. A 36-inch triple wall chimney and a 24-inch triple wall chimney that will connect together, go inside here through the roof. And last but not least, inspections. So everything's here, and that means I'll see you tomorrow morning to install it. On Saturday, my dad comes up and we both work on the porch. He knocks out some siding on the outside and some trim elements while I work away on installing that new chimney that you heard me talking about yesterday. The first part of that chimney install is this new flashing collar. I decided not to take the old one off because it's not really hurting anything, and this one mounts really nicely on top of it. And the main idea there is to try to disturb as few shingles as possible. I'm pretty good at adding things under shingles. I've had 0 leaks, knock on wood, but again, just wanted to disturb as few as possible. And so, yeah, I just installed this flashing collar. It goes pretty well. With the flashing collar installed, I can add the support box that needs to be framed in. This is the part that supports the entire chimney stack, so I make sure it is mounted really good to these framing members, and it'll be affixed with a bunch more fasteners up there in the 2x6 joists. With the support box mounted, I simply insert the chimney down into the new support box. The storm collar is sealed with caulking. Last but not least, the cover goes on. It's getting towards the end of the day, but with all the chimney work done, my dad and I can finally install drywall on the ceiling. We're trying to get all the ceiling drywall up today so we can do the insulation blow-in tomorrow. It's insulation day, and while I pick up the attic hat blower, my dad does a little bit more siding work outside. Here's the moment I've been waiting for. I can finally get some insulation in the ceiling of the porch and see how much that helps hold in the heat. Unfortunately, we had a little bit of a problem with this first machine and I had to rent a second one, but the second one worked beautifully and we got the entire attic filled up with at least R49 worth of insulation, which is about 18 inches. Just dropped off the Attic-Cat insulation machine at Home Depot. I wanted to make sure I had enough room, so Charlie, I'm using your car today. Thanks for letting me use your car. How do they say it? Better to ask for forgiveness than permission. I will say, it's great having friends who move to Ireland and then leave their car for you to use on construction projects. Jokes aside though, since I had the CRV, which does have a decent amount of cargo space, I went ahead and loaded up on 4 bags of R15 rock wool insulation. That is going to be what the porch requires for all of its walls. So with that attic insulation and the wall insulation, I'm hoping that room starts warming up nicely. See you guys inside next to install it. Before I put the final electrical in the porch, I need to make sure that all my electrical holes are protected. So I have to nail some siding on from the outside and some drywall on the inside. Typically, I would use nail plates, but for this application, I'm actually going to use just some conduit to protect things on every side.